Wherever you are, drivers always face those tough driving conditions. Wipe out gloomy and stressful feelings at once. Autobacs fluorine coating flat wiper blades. Taking the comparison of Autobacs advanced fluorine coating with graphite coating, which is a commonly available product at today's aftermarket. Evenly dispersed fluorine coating makes less friction of coefficient between rubber and front glass and eliminates chattering, squeaking noise, and unwiped area on front glass. In-house 100,000 cycle durability comparison test proved that Autobacs fluorine coating flat wiper blades come up with better wiping results than graphite coating wiper blades. In addition, our fluorine coating wiper blade showed much better result on climate resistance tests such as heat, cold, and anti-rust resistance tests, as well as ultraviolet resistance tests, comparing to graphite coating wiper blades. Another advantage of fluorine coating is, since most water-repellent coating spray for front glass are fluorine-type solvents, it provides an excellent compatibility with Autobacs fluorine coating wiper blades by eliminating an adverse impact on coating layer of front glass. Aerodynamics flat design provides the balanced holding force for entire length of blades that reduces the flapping movement of blades and make it possible to have better wiping results at high-speed driving situations with raining day. Autobacs at wiper blades is applicable for both left and right-hand side driving cars with practical symmetrical design. With included 10 attachment, Autobacs flat wiper blades are applicable for most of Japanese, European, American, Korean, and other Asian cars, which makes the fitment rate of 99% one of the top in the industry. Autobacs flat wiper blades attachments are specially designed and makes the replacement method very easy along with quick installation. More safe and comfortable car life for the future. Autobacs supports the safe and comfortable car life for the future.